In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create sprints in Notion. First, open Notion and head to any page where you want to build out your sprint system. You can start from your home page, a team space, or a new blank page, any place that makes sense for your workflow. Keep an eye on the left-hand sidebar. That's where we'll find what we need. Next, look for templates in the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the options. Templates opens Notion's gallery of ready-made setups, which is the fastest way to get a solid sprint framework without building everything from scratch. It's designed to drop in structured databases, properties, and views that you can customize later. In the template gallery, use the search bar to look for projects, tasks, and sprints. This template is built for teams or individuals who want to organize work into time-boxed cycles, track tasks, and keep projects aligned. When you see it, select it and add it to your workspace. Notion may prompt you to confirm where to place it. Choose the space or page that fits your needs. Once added, it will appear as a full page with all the pieces already connected. When the template loads, Notion automatically creates 4 linked views: projects, tasks, sprints, and a sprint board. These are all different windows into the same underlying data, so updates in one place reflect everywhere. Projects gives you a high-level database of initiatives or goals. Use it to see what you are working toward and how tasks roll up into broader outcomes. Tasks is your detailed to-do database, with properties like status, assignee, due dates, and priority, so you can track the day-to-day work. Sprints is where your time box cycles live, think 1 or 2 weeks at a time, making it easy to plan what fits into each cycle and measure progress across them. The sprint board presents tasks on a visual board, typically grouped by status or sprint, so you can drag items as they move from plan to in progress to done. From here, you can tailor names, properties, filters, and grouping to match your team's language and process, while keeping the template's structure intact. If you ever lose your place, return to the main template page and navigate into any of the 4 views. The key is that you now have a connected system ready to support planning, execution, and review, all powered by Notion's databases. That's it. Open your Notion page, go to Templates, search for projects, tasks, and sprints. Add it to your workspace and your 4 linked views are ready to use. Thanks for watching.